Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Flux 87. In this video I'll show you how to change user profile. In the beginning, let's go to dedicated app and next go to my profile. Now select profile type. You can select FPS, game configuration, linear movement, racing game configuration, custom configuration or typing configuration. Tap confirm. Now enter name, continue, and it's done. Now you can synchronize, desynchronize and save to keyboard. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.